Hello friends, so we are on 24th characteristics of successful people. Successful people have big goals and dream. So basically you will see the successful people who are having successful mindset. They will dream big. They will make the goal unrealistic, will be very big. For the normal people it will sound like these are the unrealistic goal no one can achieve. But due to this characteristic, the people who are having the successful mindset, they change the world. There's the same thing like Google, Facebook. So these big companies, Tata, all these big companies, they will have the big dream, they will have the big goal, which will at initial stage will sound unrealistic, but this is how they will change with this dream. They will get the motivation, they will always be motivated to achieve their dream, and at the end they will change the world, which usually the normal people with middle class mentality, they will they will make only the realistic goals, and in turn they will lose the motivation in between, and they will never become successful. So friends, I will come with another characteristics of the successful people. Till then, bye, see you.